So we've got this in. Check the power supply. Power supply is good. Problem is this unit has already been opened, so I was not going to go ahead and have a deeper look, but out of curiosity, we'll just spend a few minutes on it to see if you can see anything obvious, or we won't waste our time anymore on this. Just have a quick look. The little connector here is broken off. Okay. See what the thermal camera sees. Would be any help, but maybe speed up things. Maybe something on that side. And what if we take out the RAM modules? Yeah, really hard to say, eh? Anyway, I'll have to leave it at this for now, see what they want to do, if they want to go ahead further inspection or not. We'll go from there. See you in the next one.